Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In this video, we are going to discuss few problems about exercise 7.5 fractions class 6. Now the first question is write these fractions appropriately as additions or subtractions. First A. Rectangle. In this 5 equal parts and one part is shaded, that is 1 by 5. One part is shaded out of 5 equal parts. And the second rectangle, 2 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. And the third rectangle is 3 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. So now then you observe the denominators of these rectangles 5, 5. Okay, this 1 by 5, this 2 by 5. The 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, we get 3 by 5. And next, in this B, circle is 5 equal parts and 5 parts are shaded, that is 5 by 5. And the second circle is 3 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. In the last circle is 2 parts are shaded out of 5 equal parts. Now we observe this. First 5 by 5, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. We subtract these two fractions, we get this fraction. Okay. And C1. Here C. In this 6 equal circles and 2 are shaded, that is 2 by 6. In this 3 shaded out of 6. In this 5 shaded out of 6. So 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 5 by 6. When you observe this, see, you observe 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6, we get 5 by 6. Okay. Now, let us see the second question. Solve A. 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. B. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. C. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. D. 1 minus 2 by 3. Here 1 equal 3 by 3. Now, E. 3 minus 12 by 5. Now, first one. A. 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. First, here the denominators are equal. So, when the denominators are equal, now we can add simply the numerators, keeping the same denominator. Okay? That is 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18 equal to 1 plus 1 by 18. That is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 by 18. Now, if you write this fraction 2 by 8 in the simplest form. So, we get 2 by 18, it is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 1 by 9, that is. Okay. Next, 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So, here also the denominators are equal. So, when the denominators are equal, now we can add the simply the numerators, keeping the same denominators. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15, it is equal to 8 plus 3 by same denominator is 15. That is 8 plus 3, it is equal to 11 by 15. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15, it is equal to 11 by 15. Next, C1. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7 minus here. Now, C1. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So, here also the denominators are equal. When the denominators are equal, simply we subtract the numerators by keeping same denominator. That is 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7, it is equal to 7 minus 5 by 7. That is 7 minus 5 by 7. 7 minus 5, it is equal to 2 by 7. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7, it is equal to 2 by 7. Next, D1. 1 minus 2 by 3. Here given also 1 equal to 3 by 3. That is 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here the denominators are equal. So when the denominators are equal, simply we subtract the numerators. 3 minus 2 by keeping the same denominator 3. That is 3 minus 2 it is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Next, even. 3 minus 12 by 5. Here 3 means 3 by 1. 3 by 1 it is equal to 3. 3 by 1 minus 12 by 5. So here the denominator 5, here 1. So which is equal to, here the numerator and denominator multiplied by 5, we get 3 into 5 by 1 into 5 minus 12 by 5. That is equal to 3 5 is 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. Okay, here the denominators are equal. So when the denominators are equal, then simply we subtract the numerators. That is 15 minus 12 by 5. That is equal to 15 minus 12, it is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore 3 minus 12 by 5, it is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is third problem. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. Now how much did they paint together? Now we will find the how much did they paint together. Okay, solution. Wall space painted by Shubham in a room, that is 2 by 3. Next, wall space painted by Madhavi in a room, that is 1 by 3. And the total space painted by both Madhavi and Shubham, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That is, here the denominators are equal. So when the denominators are equal, we add the numerators simply. Numerators means here 2 plus 1 by 3. It is equal to 2 plus 1 by 3, it is equal to 3 by 3. Here 3 ones, 3 ones. That is 1 by 1 means 1. So therefore Shubham and Madhavi together painted 1 complete wall in a room. 1 means the total complete wall. Okay, Shubham and Madhavi together painted 1 complete wall in a room. Okay students, now let us see the next question. That is fourth one. Fill in the missing fractions. A1. 7 by 10 minus dash, it is equal to 3 by 10. B. Dash minus 3 by 21, it is equal to 5 by 21. C1 is dash plus 5 by 27, it is equal to 12 by 27. Now let us see the A1, that is first one. 7 by 10 minus dash, it is equal to 3 by 10. So then 7 by 10 minus, so 7 by 10 minus what, it is equal to 3 by 10. Means what should be subtract to 7 to get 3. So we know that 4 should be subtracted keeping the same denominator. Okay, 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10, it is equal to 7 minus 4 by 10. Here the denominators are equal, so we subtract the numerators keeping the same denominator. 7 minus 4, it is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, so the blank is 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Next one. Dash minus 3 by 21, it is equal to 5 by 21. So, what must be minus 3 subtracted, that is 8. 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. 8 by keeping the same denominator, that is 21. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 by 21, it is equal to 5 by 21. It is equal to 8 minus 3, 5 by 21. It is equal to 5 by 21. So, the blank is 8 by 21. 8 by 21. Okay. Next one. See. Dash plus 5 by 27 equal to 12 by 27. So, plus 5 by 27, it is equal to 12 by 27. So, here dash plus 5 by 27, it is equal to 12 by 27. So, what must be added to get result 12? Whenever 7 must be added to get 12, we get 12. Here 7. 7 by keeping the same denominator, 27 plus 5 by 27, it is equal to 12 by 27. Here the denominators are same, so we add the numerators, that is 7 plus 5 by 27, it is equal to 12 by 27. That is equal to 12 by 27. 12 by 27. So, the blank is 7 by 27. 7 by 27. Okay, students. Now, let us see the fifth question. That is, Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So, what fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So, there are some oranges in the basket. He got 5 by 7 of the basket of oranges. Then, how many oranges left? Means, what fraction of the oranges was left in the basket? Okay. Now, from the given statement is, so, fraction of oranges given to Javed is 5 by 7. Now, the fraction of oranges left in the basket means 1 minus 5 by 7. So, this is equal to 1 means the whole basket means 1. So, here 1 can be written as 7 by 7. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So, here the denominators are equal. So, when the denominators are equal, we simply subtract the numerators, that is 7 minus 5 by keeping the same denominator. 7 minus 5 by 7. 7 minus 5, it is equal to 2 by 7. 7 minus 5 by 7, it is equal to 2 by 7. So, therefore, the fraction of oranges left in the basket is 2 by 7. Okay. If you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching.